Press the bell icon on the YouTube app to never miss a video from News Laundry.
There's news, there's sense and there's nuisance. This show is all about that last bit. कांग्रेस पार्टी में फिर से बदलाव की लहरें उठी, उठकर वहीं बैठ गई. The Grand Old Party of India held a working committee meeting on Monday this week to decide the future course of the party leadership. The future course is actually just present continuous.
We are a democratic party and the election will be held of the next president in a AICC session, dates for which at an appropriate time will be fixed by General Secretary organization. And it is the wish of everyone, including myself, that Shri Rahul Gandhi should take over.
Elections will be held, but Shri Rahul Gandhi ji should take over. That's a bit like Amit Shah saying before every state election, election will be held, लेकिन सरकार तो बीजेपी की ही बनेगी. जब देश का ऑपोजिशन सदियों से वही घिसा पिटा राग अलाप रहा है, तो फिर बेसुरे क्यों पीछे रहे?
चिंगारी कोई भड़के तो सावन उसे बुझाए, सावन जो अगन लगाए उसे कौन बुझाए, हो उसे कौन बुझाए. पतझर जो बाग उजाड़े वो बाग बहार खिलाए, जो बाग बहार में उजड़े उसे कौन खिलाए.
Say whatever you want about Sambit, he's not a one-trick pony though. He was back the next day on Rohit Sardana's show doing this.
तुम चने कुकर पर चढ़ा करके मेरे पास आई थी, तब रसोड़े में कौन था?
I don't know what's more ridiculous, Sambit's antics or the intensity with which Sardana is absorbing these insights.
छोटी बहू कहती है ये राशि राशि बेनती, फिर सास कहती है ये राशि कुकर में से चने निकाल दिए और खाली कुकर गैस पे चढ़ा दिया है.
If you're wondering what this is about, here's the point Sambit was trying to make.
ये राहुल ही राशि है और ये खाली कुकर ही कांग्रेस पार्टी है. सारे चने निकाल दिए हैं, ये सारे आपस में ही लड़के सारे चने बाहर है कुकर से आज, और खाली कुकर गैस के ऊपर चढ़ी हुई है.
I don't know about the Congress, लेकिन न्यूज की दुनिया के खाली कुकर की सबसे तेज सीटी आप ही हैं संबित पात्रा जी. In the words of रूबिका लियाकत,
सच बताइए, why don't you get tired? आप थकते क्यों नहीं हैं?
वैसे संबित पात्रा is worse than any तानेबाज सास from any घिसा पिटा सास बहू serial when it comes to it. Just listen to his jibes at a Congress representative.
मैं नहीं चाहता हूं कि आचार्य जी के हृदय में पीड़ा हो.
Only a few weeks ago, Congress spokesperson Rajiv Tyagi died of a massive heart attack. Unfortunately for him, he spent his last moments on earth on a toxic debate show called Dangal, debating this khali cooker ki seeti. You'd think Sambit Patra would not be so tone deaf so as to make comments about Hriday mein peeda. You could have at least waited a month, Sambit ji. But how can you blame party spokesperson when anchors themselves think this is amusing? Just look at his face. ये तो देश का हाल है. गवर्निंग पार्टी के स्पोक्सपर्सन को नौटंकी से फुर्सत नहीं है. पीएम इज बिजी विद जंगल के नाचते हुए मोर, और ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के मेंबर्स एक दूसरे को अपोज करने में लगे हैं. इन ऑल ऑफ दिस द नेशन बैटल्स फ्लड्स, जॉब लॉस, एग्जाम एंग्जाइटी एंड अ पैंडेमिक. जब नेताओं का ध्यान जनता की प्रॉब्लम्स और इश्यूज सॉल्व करने से उठ जाए तो आमतौर पे मीडिया काम आती है. Journalists are the fourth estate. They're supposed to hold a mirror to the powers that be and tell them to serve the public, which is why journalism is supposed to be a public service.
ये कलयुग है पार्थ, यहाँ जर्नलिस्ट भी हमारा ध्यान गुमराह करने में लगे हुए हैं.
Sex, money, Bollywood, drugs, drinks, parties, rave parties, and now a murder, possibly a murder angle in this entire story. New dimensions of this mystery death of Sushant Singh Rajput has opened the can of worms.
I don't know about the dimensions of the SSR case, but its coverage by Times Now has certainly confirmed Navika's place as the newest #1 C-grade novella writer. I mean, just look at this news programming. You have 3 small windows with 3 anchors on the left-hand side of your screen. The whole screen is reserved for Riya on a beach, Riya doing yoga, Riya on a photo shoot, of course Riya in a swimming pool, and of course Riya in a bikini on a bed. You wouldn't be blamed for wondering if you're watching news or MTV After Hours. For more than a month now, news channels have been debating the SSR case every night. And I mean it, every night. केस सीबीआई के पास चला गया, लेकिन केस की तहकीकात अभी तक न्यूज़ चैनल्स ही कर रहे हैं. It's full on conspiracy season on TV news.
इसके साथ ही एक सवाल फिर उठकर सामने आ गया कि सिल्वर स्क्रीन पर हम जिसे अपना रोल मॉडल समझते हैं, वो बॉलीवुड तो ड्रग्स और ड्रग्स माफिया के हाथों बस कठपुतली.
पिछले 50 घंटों से ज्यादा वक्त से सुशांत केस में सबसे ज्यादा किसी बात की चर्चा हो रही है, तो वो है सुशांत की मौत का ड्रग्स कनेक्शन.
But Rahul Ishwar, what is this party where everyone is supplying drugs only? Housekeeper is also getting stuff, brother is also getting stuff, Riya is also getting stuff, talent manager is also getting stuff. I don't know what parties you go to, sir. I haven't seen a party like this where from brother to housekeeper everyone is just getting drugs. Is somebody going to get food also? Everyone is getting drugs to this party.
Is somebody going to get food also? Everyone is getting drugs to this party.
ऐसा तो नहीं कि सुशांत को ड्रग्स में इन्वॉल्व किया गया, नशे का आदी बनाया गया, इसकी वजह से सुशांत की मानसिक हालत बिगड़ी.
सूत्रों के हवाले से खबर है कि सुशांत की गर्लफ्रेंड रिया चक्रवर्ती उन्हें ड्रग्स दिया करती थी. आरोप है कि रिया उन्हें ड्रग्स के नशे का शिकार बनाने में जुटी थी.
ये बहुत हार्ड ड्रग होती है, इसके बारे में ये जानकारी आपको दे दें. 1000 की एक गोली इसकी मिलती है और अक्सर बड़ी बड़ी जो पार्टियां होती हैं उसमें कुछ लोग इस ड्रग को सप्लाई करते हैं. अब रिया की चैट में एमडीएमए ड्रग का जिक्र क्या कह रहा है?
आपने ये भी कहा कि बॉलीवुड के ड्रग्स के साथ क्या रिश्ता है, सब जानते हैं. बॉलीवुड की किसी भी पार्टी के अंदर बिना ड्रग्स के काम नहीं चलता, ये हम सब जानते हैं.
ये बात जाननी बहुत जरूरी है. जो बात गणेश कह रहे हैं कि रिया चक्रवर्ती, गौरव आर्या, ये तमाम लोग उस अंडरवर्ल्ड के रैकेट का हिस्सा हो सकते हैं जिसने सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को रास्ते से हटाया.
My favorite bit was this India TV reporter.
मुंबई में एमडी जो ड्रग है वो बहुत ज्यादा जो है, मैं आपको बताऊं कि एनडीपीएस एक्ट के तहत बहुत प्रोहिबिटेड ड्रग है और इसे म्याऊ म्याऊ यहाँ पर कहा जाता है मुंबई की भाषा में.
No, actually MDMA is commonly known as ecstasy or Molly. Meow meow is a street name for another drug. But go on.
म्याऊ म्याऊ इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि ये एक ऐसा ड्रग है जिसे पीने के बाद, जिसे लेने के बाद जो व्यक्ति है वो भीगी बिल्ली बन जाता है.
I don't know about MD or meow meow, but you guys are certainly onto something super potent. Let's just call it bhau bhau. Breaking news, viewers! I have just come to know of a new drug. जी हाँ, एक नया मादक पदार्थ. A new drug that news anchors consume every night on primetime debates. Bhau bhau. Yes, viewers, it's called bhau bhau because it helps them bark every night. Bark absolute nonsense. Every week, when you think these news anchors couldn't get worse, they do. Pushing the bar this time was Navika trying to outdo her former boss.
The Mumbai police has been told, I would say warned by the Supreme Court of India to cooperate with the CBI. Big moment, congratulations to all. Priyanka, to you, Pratibha, to all of us, Swapnil. This is an incredible moment in our country's history.
Navika thought, I see you jumping in the studio, I raise you my dramatic walk in the studio.
We've got some big stuff coming in.
Yes.
I've got a bag full of documents that we need to glean.
मतलब ये एंकर दिल की काली तो है ही, दिमाग से भी पैदल है. Navika is just a perfect happy meal of malice and stupidity with an extra sauce of nautanki.
Are you saying that you've got the entire file in your bag?
Yes.
Okay.
Do I ever let anybody down?
Right. Well, sorry.
If you had any doubts about TV news shows turning into reality shows with the SSR case, Navika and Rahul put all of that to rest. Although their reality show has a slight dash of high school drama. You'd think इतनी नौटंकी के बाद कुछ तो exclusive होगा इन लोगों के पास. Navika first presented a chat from 2017 where Riya is purportedly asking for MD. It's a 2017 chat.
In case we speak about hard drugs, I haven't done too many.
according to him, MDA wants. This is what is written in this WhatsApp chat, and this has been sent from her phone through a mobile.
This has been sent from her phone through a mobile.
What's the connection with this case in 2020 again? Then there was this chat.
Best weed ever. Ria says in another
Ria
page.
is counseling. You're telling me, Simone Khambata, that Bhubaneswar is the scene. It has the best weed ever. But we
And
were
I'm
told,
I'm
Navika,
getting messages that weed is also called green or whatever. I don't know. It's pure coincidence that I'm wearing green tonight.
It's pure coincidence that I'm wearing green tonight.
Oh my God! Tauba, tauba! She smoked weed and marijuana. India में तो कोई पीता ही नहीं है. It's not like it's available in government shops in some parts of the country. Hell, we didn't even have a member of parliament who moved a bill to legalize marijuana. It is illegal to consume and possess weed beyond a certain amount in India. लेकिन माल फूकने में और Pablo Escobar बनने में थोड़ा फर्क है. I think you need a little more proof than the fact that she smoked some good shit in Bhubaneswar to make the claim that she's part of some Bollywood drug cartel. Then there was this clincher.
Use 4 drops in coffee, tea or water and let him sip it. Let him sip it. Give it 30 to 40 minutes for it to kick in. This is the smoking gun.
Turns out this was Ria talking about CBD oil, something that Ayurveda doctors prescribe in India.
Using CBD oil, we're actually not giving that high. We're actually treating it in a medicinal way. And that's why it's available, in India as well as an Ayurvedic medication.
Now, I'm not going to get into what Ria did or didn't do. Currently, there are allegations against her that have to be investigated by an appropriate body. This investigation, however, cannot happen on TV news studios. The Narcotics Control Bureau are going to investigate these chats, but channels have already pronounced a verdict. Was she feeding drugs to SSR? Was she a smuggler in touch with a racket in Dubai? Any random person is being called on to say any random shit on this.
रिया का ड्रग कनेक्शन, मौत का दुबई कनेक्शन.
और ये दुबई का कनेक्शन आया कैसे?
मैं इधर संदीप सिंह खड़ा, इधर सूरज सिंह जी खड़े, ऑफिसर खड़े और मैं खुद खड़ा था. मैं फ़ोन पे था, हम बातचीत कर रहे थे आपस में. जैसे उन्होंने कोई दुबई का नाम लिया कि दुबई से बात हुई, फ़ोन ऐसा कुछ बोला उन्होंने. दुबई मुझे वर्ड याद है, उन्होंने बोला. जैसे ही मैंने ऐसे घुमाया अपना पेस, तो संदीप सिंह को शक हो गया कि इनको ये करनी चाहिए से हैं और इनको कुछ पता चल गया होगा. तो उन्होंने इशारा किया ऑफिसर की तरफ, बोला इनको आउट किया जाए.
Okay, hang on. So this guy, this officer of the Karni Sena, India's most credible, respectable, peaceful organization, this guy says that he apparently heard Sushant's friend, who by the way is no longer Sushant's friend, he says that he heard Sushant's friend say something Dubai.
Malai?
What Malai? I said Dubai.
I want paratha. I got paratha. I want malai.
But I said Dubai.
But I heard malai.
What could go wrong in this investigation?
Malai.
This guy is your source for the Dubai connection, Aaj Tak. Then comes the famous Disha Salia murder angle starring Aditya Thackeray and Suraj Pancholi.
Disha told Sushant about something that had happened to her. And then following that, Sushant got a call from Sandeep. And Sandeep informed him that his ex-manager had died. And Sushant said, but I just spoke to her an hour back. Sushant then shared with Sandeep what he had heard about Disha. Within 12 hours of that, Ria Chakrabarti has a fight with Sushant and leaves. There is an alleged presence of politicians and Bollywood personalities at that party that Disha attends.
This theory was floated by a guy called Prashant, who runs the page Insaf SSR. This guy, who was called on to Republic TV to just vomit out his theory.
उन्होंने ये बताया कि दिशा पार्टी में गई थी जो शायद 8 जून को था और 8 जून में जाने के बाद वहाँ पे बॉलीवुड के बड़े कुछ कलाकार कहें या जो लोग कहें कुछ नेता मंत्री भी शामिल थे उस पार्टी में. उस पार्टी में जाने के बाद दिशा के साथ दुर्व्यवहार किया गया. दुर्व्यवहार करने के बाद दिशा ने समय निकालकर सुशांत को कॉल किया. सुशांत से बताया सारी बातें. सुशांत ने कहा कि ठीक है ऐसा करो, वहाँ से जल्दी निकलो, फिर मैं देखता हूँ कुछ करता हूँ, कुछ एक्शन लेते हैं हम लोग. और इसके आधे या 1 घंटे के बाद संदीप का कॉल आता है सुशांत को कि भाई आपकी एक्स मैनेजर जो है वो उन्होंने सुसाइड कर लिया। तो सुशांत शॉक हुए और उन्होंने कहा कि ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता था, क्योंकि उन्होंने ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं था कभी कि सुसाइड करना है। संदीप को तब जाकर बातें पता चली कि सुशांत को भी पता है, और फिर उसके बाद संदीप ने शायद अपने कुछ लोगों से डिस्कस किया या जो भी किया। अगले दिन फिर मुझे उसके दोस्त ने जैसा बताया कि अगले दिन फिर रिया का झगड़ा हुआ सुशांत से। सुशांत अपनी बातों को रिया तक रख रहे थे, लेकिन रिया उसको सुनना नहीं चाह रही थी, क्योंकि उनके भी भाई की शायद वहाँ पे सहमति थी उस पार्टी में, और वो भी उपस्थित थे। और इस नोक-झोंक के बाद ही दोनों अलग हुए, और उसके बाद फिर जो हुआ वो सबके सामने है।
He first wrote his theory on Facebook. The best part, right at the beginning of his post, Prashant Kumar says, and I quote, शायद ऐसा कुछ हुआ हो या ना भी हुआ हो, कुछ साक्ष्य और तथ्यों तथा वैचारिक शब्दों को जोड़कर पेज के एक सदस्य की सच्ची / काल्पनिक कहानी। When News Laundry called up Prashant, he couldn't give us any proof for the claims he made, and he told us that ये रूमर तो बहुत टाइम से चल रहा है, मैंने सुना इस रूमर के बारे में, मैंने 2-4 बातें खुद जोड़ दी और पेल दी। Read our report on this whole episode here. तो कोई भी एरा गैरा इंसान सच्ची या काल्पनिक कहानी फेसबुक पे लिखता है और न्यूज़ चैनल्स ये सच्ची या काल्पनिक कहानी की न्यूज़ बना देते हैं। I don't know what's sicker, people making up stories about a dead person, about a rape and murder, or news anchors like Arnab Goswami who push this theory with zero journalistic due diligence. What TV news anchors are doing here is stretching this soap opera to make it compelling for you to watch. You have to just catch anyone at all. Get him to say anything at all, and connect him to the case. I'm not exaggerating. They actually caught hold of a delivery guy delivering healthy hummus and started badgering him like a criminal. This was near Riya's apartment.
रिया चक्रवर्ती ने ऑर्डर किया, शौविक चक्रवर्ती ने ऑर्डर किया।
हेल्दी हुमस का मतलब पार्सल था, ई-कॉमर्स बिजनेस से।
और किसके नाम पे था ऑर्डर?
ऑर्डर पे नाम ही नहीं था।
Hats off to this delivery guy and a big salute to him.
फ्लैट नंबर बताइए ना।
अरे मैं क्यों फ्लैट नंबर
बताइए, फ्लैट नंबर बताइए।
हाँ हल्का दूर हो गया। अरे मुझे जाने ही नहीं दे रहा। एक न्यूज वाला नहीं, 15 न्यूज वाला मेरे सामने
क्या लेके जा रहे हैं? फ्लैट नंबर की डिलीवरी बता दीजिए।
बात कर रहा है और
क्या लेके जा रहे हैं?
पूछ रहा है कि मैडम कैसे रूम पर आऊं। तो यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं जो शख्स है वो अपनी पहचान जो है वो छिपा रहा है इस वक्त।
आप बताइए
रिया चक्रवर्ती कहाँ से लेकर आया हो?
कहाँ से लेकर आए? रिया चक्रवर्ती को दिया ना।
मैं क्यों बताऊँ कहाँ से लेके आओ?
कहाँ से, कौन से कंपनी से आया?
अरे मैं कोई भी कंपनी से नहीं आया।
He's the only person with grace and intelligence in this crowd. Our salute to him for standing up to these bunch of hyenas. We're recording this show on Thursday morning. This evening, Rajdeep Sardesai's interview with Riya Chakraborty will be aired. India Today news director Rahul Kanwal is promoting this interview like this.
She is the most vilified woman in the country at the moment, and for the first time she's presenting her version of events leading up to the mysterious death of SSR.
Excellent, Rahul Kanwal ji. But who exactly made her the most vilified woman in the country? Take a look at your own channel.
लव, ड्रग्स और धोखा। रिया ने सुशांत पर किया था जादू टोना। मासूम नहीं है रिया। आत्महत्या या हत्या?
Yesterday, India recorded 70,000 new cases of coronavirus and 1,000 deaths in one day. In the middle of this pandemic, close to 25 lakh students are protesting for the postponement of NEET and JEE exams. Here are some reasons why students are protesting. Number 1, fear of catching COVID at test centers. Number 2, many of the students who scheduled to appear this year are already in quarantine due to having tested positive. Number 3, NRI students don't have enough flights to bring them to India. Number 4, lockdown has derailed students' preparations. The government on its part has said that they are going to go ahead with the exam with precautions like social distancing at the centers, alternate seating, increased exam centers, staggered entry and exits. Guess how many debates Navika held on this? 0. Guess how many debates Arnab held on this? 1. The assumption these TV news anchors make is that they can simply keep you distracted with Kala Jadoo, Riya Mal Phukti Hai type nonsense. These debate shows are nothing but a giant middle finger to you, dear viewers, from the news anchor. A middle finger to you and to all the real life issues you're dealing with. How can you return the favor? Turn these channels off. Seriously, don't give them your attention. Don't give them TRPs. Switch these channels off. That's all the nuisance we have for you this week. We'll be back next week. Till then, stay mad. That's the only way. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this episode. If you liked this episode, please like our YouTube channel. Please share this episode with your friends and family. And please log on to newslaundry.com. We're going to be bringing you some interesting stories on this case from Bombay. Our reporter Prateek is there. He's keeping a close eye on the media, and he's going to get us some stories on that. You can also check out a number of interviews that we do. We recently did an interview with Barkha Dutt. Abhinandan Sekhri interviewed Barkha Dutt. You can also check out some of the podcasts that we do. We have a news podcast called Daily Dose, and we have a news and views podcast called NL Hafta, where we discuss the news of the week. So check out all our other content. This is not the only thing that we do. We do a lot of things like reports, podcasts, interviews, and a lot of other stuff. So log on to newslaundry.com, and of course subscribe to newslaundry.com. We are a completely ad-free platform. We don't take any advertisements from anyone. और इंडिपेंडेंस डे के इस पावन महीने में हमारे पास एक ऑफर भी है. If you subscribe to News Laundry for 6 months, you will get our special सबकी धुलाई साबुन्स. Organic साबुन, सबकी धुलाई साबुन, because हम सबको धोते हैं. So log on to newslaundry.com, subscribe, get your sabuns. And if you're already a subscriber, write in to us if you want these sabuns. We'll try and figure out a way to getting them to you. Thank you so much, guys. Stay mad. That's the only way.